Hi, Kate. It's Tim Larsen with Tim Larsen Photography. I got your email, and instead of trying to type it out in an email on how to download your favorites list, I thought I would just make a quick video showing you how to do it. So here I am at Grace and Kyle's wedding proofing site. So you'll enter the site. At that first screen, you might have to log in with your email address. Just make sure you use the same email address that you used to create your favorites list. Then when you get to this screen, you should see a heart with a little red circle by it, which means there are some favorites lists. So you'll click on that. You'll pick whichever favorites list you'd like to download. So you would click on whichever one you want to download, and then you go into the upper right hand corner here to this download icon, and you go ahead and click on that. And now you'll want to enter the same email address that you used to create the favorites list, and then you'll need to enter Grace and Kyle's download code, which is 9736. I'll email that to you as well. Then you click next. And then you'll select which favorites list to download. So you'll pick that one, or whichever one you want to download, and then you'll have to choose which size you want to download. So if you were going to post them on Facebook or something like that, you would want to use the web size. You said you wanted to have them on your iPad, so I would recommend you download the high res size. If you were going to send any of these files to a printing service, you would want to select the original size. So for this example, we'll use high res, and then we'll hit start download. And your favorite list has 90 plus images on it. So this might take anywhere from 20 seconds to 5 minutes. So whenever it's done, you'll get a link here like this, and you'll also get an email to the email address that you used to log in. So you don't have to sit there and wait for it. It will email you when it's ready to download. So whenever this shows up, you'll just click on the link and it'll start downloading the files. From there, you'll have to find them. I don't know if you're on a Mac or a PC. I'm assuming you're on a Mac because Kyle works for Apple. So you'll just click on them and you'll find them, and then you'll have to put them onto your iPad. One of the hard parts about an iPad is you're not going to be able to download them to your iPad in any way that I know how to do it. So to get them on your iPad, you're either going to have to plug it into your computer and put them on your iPad through iTunes, or if you use Apple's photo service, you can upload them to the Apple Photos app into an album called Grace and Kyle's Wedding, or whatever you choose to name it, and then sync that with your iPad. So as far as downloading the files, that's how you do it. Getting them onto your iPad, there's a lot of different ways to do it. You might have to ask Grace or Kyle for help on that part, because I don't have an iPad and I can't do a screen recording showing you how to do it. So if you have any questions, give me a call or send me another email.